Number 26, rewrite the following fraction in simplest form. So I want um, to reduce this fraction so that the top and the bottom have no common factors. So what goes into both 20 and 24? Definitely 2 because they're both even. So this is a very common um, way to approach this. If you can't think of anything bigger, you just kind of have to do this a few times. Okay, so 20 divided by 2 is 10, 24 divided by 2 is 12. Those 2 still goes into both of those, so I can divide top and bottom by 2, and I get 5 over 6, and 5 and 6 have no common factors, so there's my simplest form. 27, the diagram below can be used to explain that 2/3 is equivalent to what other fraction? So this diagram is 2/3 because 2 out of 3 pieces are shaded. So you can see this is broken into 1, 2, 3 equal parts. 2 of them are shaded, but it's also broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 equal pieces, and 8 of them are shaded. 28, convert the fraction 7 over 20 to a percent. Well, percent just means over 100. So I need to convert this to an equivalent fraction. So I'm going to multiply by a fancy form of 1, and I want my denominator to come out to be a 100. So what do you multiply 20 by to make 100? And the answer is 5. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by 5, and I get 35 over 100, which is 35%.